Hi, this is Bill again. Before we dive in, take a second to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell, and if you'd like deeper behind the scenes content from exclusive ServiceNow tips to live walkthroughs, please consider joining as a member. Whether you are a PMO lead, ServiceNow admin, or maybe just starting out, you will be able to find tons of videos with a lot of value for you. Now, going back to our topic, it all begins in the Project Workspace. This is the heart of the project and portfolio visibility in ServiceNow. So from the moment you land in the All Projects tab, you are already greeted with a clean layout represented into project cards, each showing the project status, owner, and timeline. It's a quick way for you to be able to visualize and a powerful way for you to see how your entire portfolio is doing at a single glance. With 64 active projects, this workspace becomes your command center. And with the projects named ACME Workday on the lower upper left, which already provides you a summary of the green health indicators, letting PMO like you to know the things that are already under control. A quick reminder, if you're getting value already, please smash that like button and drop a comment below. Tell me about your biggest challenge in managing your projects today. Your feedback will help me shape up my future videos. And if you are serious about mastering ServiceNow, become a member to unlock bonus or additional content giving you an early access. Now, let us zoom in to one of the projects, which is ACME Workday. The project navigation menu on the left gives you access to the key areas like planning, financials, RIDAC, analytics, docs, and status reports. So in a single click, you will be able to navigate between detailed information, reports, financials, to name a few. So you're not just tracking tasks, you are in a perspective that you can manage delivery in a full project life cycle. Now, in this planning section, the work breakdown structure, or WBS, lays out the project's phases under the short description, like initiating, planning, executing, and so on. And also paired with a dynamic Gantt chart, as you see on the far right, gives you a visual clarity on task durations, dependencies, and timing across qualities. Now let us switch to the grid view on the top right, which gives you raw data from planned start and end dates, durations, and constraints. So it gives you a detailed snapshot, perfect for your reporting or executive briefings. Now, as you navigate to the Gantt view, it will give you clear timelines, milestones also highlighted in color. If you enjoyed this breakdown, please subscribe now, join the channel as a member, and help me grow this community of ServiceNow professionals. Whether you're building your first project workspace or optimizing a global rollout, I've got more tutorial strategies and real-world tips coming your way. Let's build better workflows together. I'll see you in my next video.